Aquí. Oh, should we crack on?
The teams have just 3 hours before their finished model homes will be scrutinised by the judges.
Yeah, that's good.
Each week, a guest judge will help Michelle decide who's leaving the competition. For this first challenge, internationally renowned designer Matthew Williamson is joining her.
Oh my god!
Well, now it's pretty real, isn't it?
Yeah. Stop now.
A master of print and colour, his design DNA has translated into fabulous...
Alright, hi guys, so I'm here. I want this vlog to be just me like talking to you. I'm in the rocking chair. Jelly's bed is there, but yeah, so puppy, you see her? Oh yeah, move. Yeah, Ada. So Jaleel is now 4 months. He's been sitting up on his own, as in like lifting his head on his own since he was 3 months. I hope if I'm not bothering you. Since he was 3 months. Well, actually, one morning I was going to the hill and he was sleeping. And I said, Mom, I'm not gonna wake up because he's been up. So he's fine. Just give him, just when I come back, we just hurry up and when I come back, just give him some breast. So apparently do you wake up and grandma never know what to do, so she gave him porridge. So he's on like liquidy foods, and when he's now 4 months, I wasn't, was 3 months, 4 months now, he might drink mint tea. Yeah, so that's just like a little update on Jaleel. He's very cognitive, he's very aware. Jonathan is extremely welcoming of him. Like, he would tell me, Mommy, give me Jaleel's pacifier. Like, he'll tell me what Jaleel is saying. Like, if he's laughing, Mommy, Jaleel saying love you. I mean, he's just really intuitive with his little brother, and he loves him immensely. And that's something that I garnered, that I kind of trained him, taught him how to do, you know, while Jaleel was still in my body. I told him, I'm like, this is your little brother. I had him pray for him, you know, at least probably 3 to 4 times a week. But I pray for him, put him hand on my belly, pray for him. So it's something that's normal for him. These bibs are so stylish and so cute. I'm going to be doing like a separate video on just Jaleel and him and his updates on my other channel. But just telling you guys no, because I want to give you guys a vlog every other day. And I'm preparing myself, getting into the rhythm for Vlogmas, because I really wanted to do Vlogmas. But that really means that I'll be recording in November, preparing for Vlogmas, you know. So yeah, anyway, so 4 months. He's wearing size 1 diapers now. He was in newborns, now he's in size 1s. And we bumped him up to size 1s when he was 3 months, because in Jamaica we have a thing for band on the belly button. So because when he would cry, his belly button would push out. I said, no, can't have a big belly button, so but I just size up. I needed to help band down in belly, and it worked for Jonathan, it worked for Jaleel. So if that's a myth, I doubt it, because that really legit works. He's teething and he's 4 months. He's extremely fussy. He wakes up very often. He's biting his hand, as they say, if he grab anything and bite it up. He's just like putting everything in his mouth, which all babies do. Like, no, see, easy, and he's ticklish, which I find very cute. When he's ticklish, hello, he's on the boppy. The boppy is here, so he's sitting high. Hello, and I sing to him almost. I write random songs for Jaleel. I'm gonna put you guys down. Right, I write random songs for Jaleel. Random songs, like he'll be, like, I have a song called Hello. So it's just hello, 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 hello. Random song. Like, he'll be crying and I'll be like, no, don't cry. No, don't cry. No, no, and it calms him. So I had to run some errands this morning, so he was with me, just me and him alone. And my would start crying, what even on the front. Not my Jaleel. Oh gosh, I probably look so dumb to other people. Not my Jaleel, and I'm loud. I'm just like, hey, Jaleel. I'm just loud because it calms him down. It calms it down, Baba. I love you so much. I love you so much, baby. Love you so much, baby. See, it comes so natural for me now to just sing, right? Right, Papa? I love you so much. I love you. Yeah. Yes, of course. Anytime. Anytime. It doesn't matter what they think, what they want to do. This is me and you, homie. This is me and you. I got your back, man. I got your back, man. I love you too. Just in case you were wondering. I love you. I love you, Papi. Hey. Right. So that's where he's concerned. The cognitive 4 months, size 1 diapers, and I was a Pampers girl, the brand. But no, I am like, oh, Huggies ain't that bad, honey. I like the band that Huggies have at the back. I like that. What else? Oh, Lord. Oh, excuse me. Nothing else yet. Nothing else yet. That's basically it for Jahleel. For me, no. Today is Wednesday. I haven't been to the hill in probably 3 or 4 days or 6 days. I don't know. I think I'm never go from last week Thursday, or I'm never go from Friday last week. Today's Wednesday. I'm not going this week, and it's like every time I don't go to the hill or I don't do no from my workout, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm just this huge toad. But I'm just learning to just take it a step at a time. Like, I've already lost 19 pounds, you know, and counting, but I'm just going to say 19 pounds. I've already lost 19 pounds. So I don't want to lose too much too soon and have loose skin. One, lose too much too soon and don't look how I want to look too. Mind you, I love looking skinny. Like, I love when my collarbone show. I love when my face is like. But then I also love my butt and I love my hips. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love my thighs. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna start back the gym probably in November, but it'll be more cardio because a lot of times it's raining, and I can't get to go to the hill. So in the time that it's raining, I can't go to the hill. Also, I can wake up a regular time, you guys. Get Jonathan ready. I don't have to be dropping them off by grandma. Get Jonathan ready, breastfeed Jahleel, put him to sleep, whatever, get Jonathan ready, and then just go to the gym for like an hour and a half, and then come back home. You know what I mean? As long as I have like feed and stuff here for Jahleel, he's fine. You know, so that's an option I'm looking into, where I can just be home and like go by grandma whenever I need to record. Jonathan is sleeping in his room. Because I told you guys that I gave up my makeup room for it to be a second bedroom, and Jermaine has his room, so I have 3 bedrooms, or master room, this room, and then Jermaine's room, and this room is now Jonathan's room. Mind you, he hates sleeping by himself, but I want to get him used to it because he's 4. You know, I want to get him used to it too. So yeah, and as soon as Jahleel can walk, come go to bed with the brother. As soon as, honey. As soon as. What else do I need to tell you guys? But my weight loss. And the thing is, when I'm not working out, I'm health conscious. Like, I think about it, but I don't live it. You know what I'm saying? Like. And if I'm eating badly, or no, if I'm eating untracked meals, or if I'm eating meals that I should probably have in moderation, I go protein. So it's like bare chicken. Like, I eat like fried chicken, barbecue fry, like chicken. Like, so I eat KFC mostly. If I'm not you know, being unhealthy or whatever, I'll just eat chicken. I don't go the burger route, the pizza route. I just eat chicken, just protein. You know, so That's what else. I really want to do like a cooking with lyrics thing for you guys, especially with my nails being this long. I want to show you guys how I do that. And fun fact, I actually filmed how I change my baby's diapers, how I like clean my baby, take care of my baby with the long nails, and I accidentally deleted the footage, so my bad about it, my bad. And one last thing before we go. Ooh, I know you want to kiss me. My blood cleanse. Did you not hear that? Did you guys hear that? Yes, Jahleel. Oh God, my heart is busting out my chest. That was loud and scary. What else am I telling her? What was I about to say? I forgot. The thunder clapped it out of my mind. I don't remember what I was about to say. Oh no, I do not remember. Oh, classes. So I'm still doing one-on-one classes. Those are $2.97 for 6 hours. Blood cleanse, guys. I just recognize that I'm not the most expensive makeup artist in Jamaica. People love to make me think that way, and that's not true. And I'm also not the most expensive educator in Jamaica. There are people charging more than what I do for less hours. That's crazy to me. But anyway, so it is $297 for 6 hours, and I prefer splitting the 6 hours over 2 days, so 3 hours per day. It gives me a chance to see your growth more. So that's just my preference. So that's that. And also we're still having our classes, or certified classes, because the one-on-one classes aren't certified. We're still having certified classes in Florida, Tamarack, Florida, and you can still get $165 off. You can go ahead and register on my website, LyricRochester.com. But I really do implore you to follow Lyric Rochester International. That's on Instagram for like everything, all my every update for classes and one-on-ones and stuff like that, and certification and non-certification. Yeah. So what else am I about to say? I mean, that's it. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Get it, Jahleel. Hey, get it, Jahleel. Hey, get it. Okay, so yeah, so that is it. Basically a little update, a little what you need to know for Jahleel, for my weight loss, and for classes. No, come on, what's this? Are you crying? You're in my arms and I do not know what you want from me. Is it your teeth again? Is it your gums? They're hurting. No. Jahleel. Jahleel, if I could rip those gums up myself, I would do it just so that you won't feel no pain. I would. Scout's honor. Box juice, Jahleel. I'm telling you. Guys, he's teething, yes? Please let me know, because I fully believe my 4-month-old is teething. I've been telling people, them like, teething already. I'm like, yeah, girl, advance. I have no time. I have things to do, you know? I don't have no time to waste. I have things to do. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. A little updatey, a little vloggy updatey, and yeah, no makeup, just with my little love muffin. Oh, I can't wait for Jonathan to come home so I can kiss him. He doesn't like when I kiss him, which makes it so much more funner when I do, because when I kiss him is a victory for me. I'm gonna see a victory. Anyway, so I'll talk to you in the next video, and yeah, talk to you soon. Let me know if you like these sit down talky vlogs type things. So you too, I know you do, but if they don't like it, who's gonna watch it? Did you puke? Are you seeing his puke in my hand, or is that nasty? It's normal, isn't it? It's quite common, isn't it? Let me wipe this off. Or not, I don't have to. I have wipes. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. Talk to you in the next video. Let me turn the camera off with my pukey hands. Nasty. You're so nasty.